Hey, what's up, everybody? Hope you're doing very well today. It's now June the 10th, and we're going to take a look at how just the general market is trending. It's a Monday, and unfortunately, after that large drop on Friday the 7th, there really hasn't been much change at all. This trend line is still holding that we see on the 12-hour chart, on the daily chart. Maybe there's going to be a bounce. We really don't know yet. And the whole market is reacting with a bunch of indecision as well. So the first thing that I do whenever I turn on the computer every single day is I take a look at my advanced volatility scanner that I created. It's a custom indicator. And this is instantly going to give you a gauge of how the entire overall market is if you know how to read it, of course. And then after you learn how to read it, it becomes very easy. You don't even need to look at charts. You don't need to take a look at how the volume is for specific coins, how the market cap is for crypto. You don't need any of that. This just shows you a gauge of every single coin that's listed on Binance. So here I have 268 coins that are on Binance futures market, and it's all listed over here. So the way this works is it scans for volatility. Anytime any coin on Binance futures moves 5% in 1 hour, or 10% in 2 hours, or 15% in 4 hours, or 20% in 48 hours, each coin that's moving to any of those criterias. So as long as one of the four criteria is met, what will happen is it will highlight green. So you see the colors here that are green, and you see some are red. If any of them move over this criteria, any of the four, it gets highlighted green. So it becomes a green box. And what you can see today is that there's not a single coin on Binance futures right now that's actually trending in any way. So this gives you an instantaneous gauge of the market and tells you right away if there's any volatility, if there's any coins moving. And there's nothing at all moving today, which shows you right away that because of the indecision of Bitcoin and how we're stalled at this $69,400 support region over here, what we see is that Bitcoin's not moving. Bitcoin's finding some level of either support that could get smashed down or bounce. So the whole market reacts the same way and also doesn't move at all. There's not a single coin in the market right now that's moving against Bitcoin in terms of Bitcoin staying still, but the altcoins are moving. So you can also see generally that on the TradingView list, most coins are in the red, such as High has dropped a substantial amount. High was one of the coins that ended up doing like a huge gain, and then it dropped 63% in literally 3 days so far. It just goes to show how scary the crypto markets can be and how you have to exercise a major amount of caution. Otherwise, things like this can happen and you will get burned. And one of the best tools that you can use to gauge the market and see its performance relative to how Bitcoin is doing is going to be this advanced volatility scanner. So it tells you an instant gauge of the market. But imagine the applications in a bull market as well, where a lot of coins are moving. So if any of them move to any of these criteria, 5% in 1 hour, 10% in 2 hours, 15% in 4 hours, 20% in 48 hours, what's going to happen is it's going to highlight green. So you would gravitate towards that coin. One of the most difficult problems of finding a coin to trade is having to manually be looking at that coin every single time. And that's when you would notice it moving. Oftentimes, before it's too late. Before you even notice it moving, it's already moved like 10, 20%. So that's where I solve the problem of anytime a coin is starting to move, it pops up in this volatility scanner of yours, and you'll be able to notice it immediately. So this is a really good way to look at the market. So I just wanted to give you guys a very quick update with how Bitcoin is trending, which is at the exact same price levels without much movement. Not only that, the whole market is reacting the same way as well due to my advanced volatility scanner showing us that not a single coin is showing any type of volatility today. So other than that, I will update you guys tomorrow with how the market is trending. For those that are interested in this volatility scanner of mine, you can purchase it for a lifetime access. It cost me a lot of time to develop this and also a lot of money to develop it. So I'm charging $150 for a lifetime access to the scanner. Once you purchase it, just DM me and I'll get you access right away. And it also comes with a full-blown tutorial of how to set it up and also how to use it. So other than that, stay patient, my friends. Bitcoin will eventually begin to move soon. It may not be this month, it may not be next month, but I do expect the bull market in later 2024 and especially for 2025. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.